think these Terache tires are any good? I think they're not bad. I think they're pretty darn good. Glad to have you along for the ride. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. I'm not gonna get stuck. Could be indoor. All right, boys, how's it going? Guess what? Saturday, going for a ride. Now, ride wasn't really the plan for today, but you see, I got some stuff I gotta do here. But yeah, I've had enough of that. So my new riding buddy Ryan, he's got me to go riding a few times when I haven't really been ready to go, but it sort of pushed me a bit to go. So I guess I'll go. Hey boys, how's she going? If you can guess, I'm out for a ride today. But I already told you that because I told you that before I left my house, but anyways. But what I do know is that there's a group of guys that are here today riding, some of them for the first time here, so I'm sure I'll be able to find them probably stuck somewhere. But I mean, I don't know what the size of the bikes and the size of the tires that these guys have. I can hear one bike kind of back that way. So what would be a really good test is to come through here, because I could not climb up that with my Sportsman. I couldn't climb it, so it'd be nice to see if I could do it now. And the other lad tried it earlier and he got stuck. Oh yeah. Oh, everybody gets stuck. I'm not gonna get stuck. Oh, I got it! I got it! That's freaking tough, holy. Alright, how's my hair? I'm not really sure where the I'm not really sure where anybody is, but what I figure is while I'm looking for him, we might as well get some filming done. Why not, eh? Let's get some action shots, shall we? Hey, check it out. Porcupine. There's a little tree across the road and a porcupine. Get moving. Get moving. You look like you lost some quills. Oh, big time. I'm not gonna hurt you, little fella. Look at this, hey boys. Kind of makes you wonder that maybe this thing was stolen and lads were just giving her hell. Kind of get that feeling, eh? She's not really an off-road rig. They just beat the living tar out of her. Holy, I had no license plate on it. Or someone's taken it already. Holy. That is something. Well then, here's the big thing now. How the heck do you get it out of here? Who's going to have to get it out of here? Oh, that's friggin' messed right up, boys. Look at where they buried and plowed in, and they actually got themselves back a bit. Like, holy. That right there is wild. That's all I gotta say. Alright, boys, we're back in action. I have no idea where the other guys are. Whatever. I'm just out for a quick tour. Let's go hit some more holes. Shall we? Good there? Yeah, buddy. Motley Crue, Dr. Feelgood on the tunes. Yeah, get amped up. Got one thing you'll understand, Dr. Feelgood. What you call a regular man? It's easily understood. Just right. Ha ha! Yeah. What's going on? Oh, not much. Oh. Long time no see. Leg of leg. Well, can you be more specific? I seen a lot of you. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan.
You were parked with your SUV in the car, in the trailer, and then I was literally over there with the red GMC.
Oh yeah? A couple. Well, yeah.
How are you?
It's hard to remember a lot of faces and names, but I try.
Hey,
right on. How do you drive this thing?